Hey everybody, Jordan from Iron and Grit here. I've got another edition of Meal Prep Sunday. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I wanted to get back with you and let you know what I've been up to. So I've got another bodybuilding competition coming up in about 4 weeks. So I'm on a super strict diet. Here's everything that I got. I want to run through it with you and show you what is on the menu. So right here, a bunch of chicken, lean chicken breast. Gonna cook it in the crock pot with some various spices just so I have a little bit of flavor. I don't want to kill myself. I have a bunch of sweet potatoes here. Some lean ground beef. That's 95% lean ground beef. Some very lean turkey breast. 99% lean steamed broccoli. Then we've got some baked asparagus. Nothing on it, just plain raw veggie, and a bunch of egg whites. And then, I don't know if you caught it over here, but we have 2 things of whole eggs and 4 avocados. Avocados are great for the fats. In addition to this, I'll probably have a protein shake every day. I'll do some regular Optimum Nutrition whey protein, 2 scoops with some almond milk and a little bit of peanut butter. Well, other than that, this is my food. Literally, I'm gonna have to consume all this and only this for the next 6 consecutive days, and then repeat this whole meal prep process up until my competition coming up. So I'm in a pretty big calorie deficit, trying to shed some weight. I'm about 190 right now, and see if I can get down to 180 and just rip the shreds. But in order to do that, gotta be super disciplined. Meal prep is key. So yeah, kind of letting you inside what it takes to lose some weight, especially you guys that are trying to cut down for summer, spring break, look good in the bathing suit. This is one great way to do it. So if you have any questions about working out, about meal prep, about nutrition, you can check out my blog, ironandgrit.com, or you can just drop me a comment right here on YouTube. So thanks a lot, guys, for checking it out, and hope you have a great week.